how to show or hide notifications on lock screen, notification center, or banners on iPhone. First, let's return back to the home screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in Settings, we scroll down and tap on Notifications. Now in here, you want to scroll down to the notification style and then tap on an app. So for example, I'm going to tap on Messages. In here, scroll down to the Alerts section and then tap on Lock Screen or Notification Center or Banners. So if you select it, then it will be enabled. If you deselect it, it will be disabled. To hide the alerts on the lock screen, simply deselect it. And that's it. Once you have made your selection, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.